And Never Leave This Room it's about love. It's like just a story about a relationship I was in, and we would be in this room and never want to leave and just be our own little world, and it'd be amazing. And no one knew about it, and no one knows about it. And we'd be stuck there for days, or feels like months, and it'd be our own little world. Just forget the outside world. And usually it goes a little too long because there's whiskey involved, which makes things better and worse. So that's what that song's about. Love. But
I never heard whiskey.
like finding someone you could get lost in the world and create your own little world with somebody else. That's just amazing.
You want me, I need you. Don't leave yet, I'll feed you. Stay naked, it's okay. Let's blow off this whole day, oh yeah. Oh yeah. My kiss it will warm ya. You know that I adore ya. We finished the last one. Let's open up the next one. It's alright, it's not wrong. It's alright, it's not wrong. Come closer, I'll play you your new song. When there's whiskey around, we could never leave this room. When there's whiskey around, we could never leave this. Do 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 off for hours, and then we'll take our showers. You'll tell me to shut up, and then you will tie me up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll then start caressing, and then we'll start confessing. We finish the last one, let's open up the next one. It's alright, it's not wrong. It's alright, it's not wrong. Come closer, I'll play you your new song. When there's whiskey around, we could never leave this room. When there's whiskey around, we could never leave this. Do 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 do.
And did you explain the song to Kat before you?
Did I explain to her? I played the song, played for her, and she bounced off her. I actually kind of let her do whatever she wants to do with it, singing wise, and she. I don't know if I explained to you. Like you kind of pick it up. And
Yeah, just
understand.
kind of pick up,
This is like
Yeah.
the first time he's ever explained it out loud to all of us.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, that's true.
I think we all kind of felt we knew what the song was about, but like now hearing Mikey say it, I think it just kind of clarifies it. Like,
Yeah.
that is what the song's
Yeah.
about,
Yeah.
because we all knew it,
Right.
and
Right.
yeah, we all felt that.
Totally.